Okay. All right, welcome to the playback. And I'm sorry it's going to be bumpy for a minute, but I had to make sure that it is 100% the right way. I can't even believe I had such problems. It kept flipping back to the other way. I did not even start it that way. Awesome. It looks good now. I am so sorry. Take 3. Third time is a charm. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Jennifer. Goodness gracious. Well, so I'm going to do a project today. Happy Friday night, by the way. Hi, Terry. Happy Friday. I'm going to do a fun piece using our transfer of the month. The transfer of the month comes looking like this, and you cut along the cut lines and you get some really cool things. Like this looks really weird, but when you see what I'm going to do with it, you're going to understand. And I'm doing this on a very, very simple board. This is a canvas covered board. So it's hard. You can put it in a frame, or you could just kind of like set it on a stand. So awesome. Hi, Terry. 2 Terrys. So I'm going to do these little flowers first. And because we're working on canvas, we actually don't have to fuzz our transfers. So that's really awesome. And I'm going to use lilac actually, and I know these aren't lilacs. I know they're like cherry blossoms. However, lilac is the ink color, or not ink, the chalk color that actually comes with the Transfer of the Month Club. You guys, if you are interested in finding out what the Transfer of the Month Club is, or Club Couture, you definitely just need to join my Chalk Nation. Of course, it is not linked in here, but all you have to do is Google Chalk Nation. Not Google, but like search it on Facebook. And I use the word Google too much as a verb. Hi, Jessica. So yeah, so join my Chalk Nation. Then you'll get to see what the whole deal is with my Club Couture, and it's a really, really cool club to be in for sure. So I'm just going to kind of line this up on the corner of my canvas. It's not really perfectly lined up, but that's fine because I don't even really need that. I could cut that off if I wanted. But I will leave it that way. So like I said, I'm going to do kind of a purpley thing. So we're going to do some lilac instead of pink. I hope you all don't mind. This is really funny because I am not a purpley person, but I do love this color lilac for our chalking needs. And tonight, we need to do a little chalking. So, even though they're cherry blossoms, totally I'm just going to pretend they're lilacs. Just for the day. I mean, they could be. They really could be. Giant, giant lilacs. I love lilacs. I love the way they smell. It's one of my favorite spring scents in the whole world. Absolutely love lilacs. Okay. So, this is going to be the background of, this is an awkward transfer here. Okay, there we go. So this is kind of like the background. I need to get this dry. I'm going to set my transfer in water so that it's starting to basically get clean. And I'm going to spend some time drying this off. Hi, Christina. Hi, Olivia. We are doing the March Club Couture transfer. And I'm just drying my layer so that I can add my second layer to it. I'm really excited to add that second layer. And then I'm going to do something fun with the word up here. So this is just an 8x10 canvas board. And I just really want to get this dry. I don't want anything to peel up. Hi, Kelsey. Hi, Sarah. So sorry. I don't think I ever did that before. All right, so that is dry. And I'm just going to make sure it's kind of cooled down. You know my theory on anything that's too warm. Oh, so sorry, they've got noise going. Anything that's too warm, I feel like could be pliable and could come up. So when something is stuck to it. So this is the second layer, which is gorgeous. And I'm going to use, oh, I'm debating. So I was like, I was going to do chocolate because it has the stem. And then I thought maybe I should do plum, which is a super, super dark purple. Yeah, I'm still a little torn. Let's get it lined up. You guys want to see how we line these up? So I'm doing this for the first time live, of course. Hi, Diane. Thanks for joining. If you like what you're seeing and think your friends need to see some too, then please click the share button that's down at the bottom of your screen. Just trying to get the right angle and lining up each little flower. They look pretty good from here. This might need to move just slightly. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to push down and make sure every place that I have this, I might need to lift up a little. Everywhere that have the screen, we want to make sure is pushed down. And then all the green parts, it's okay if there are bubbles. Oh, Jennifer, I heard that there, like, whatever storm that we had yesterday that really wasn't, it was all rain. And it was stormy, but it was mostly rain, not a lot of snow. Pushed off to the east. I think you guys are getting that storm. All right, so I need a vote. Should I do the stems in chocolate, the highlighting in chocolate, so it'll be chocolate and lilac, or should I do the really dark plum, which then it will just kind of like tie everything together. Everything will be purple tones. Hi, Amanda. What do you think? Should I leave the stems chocolate? One vote for chocolate, because I am doing some purples on this. So it will be okay. I could do it either way. I need like 2 more votes, guys. 2 more votes. Chocolate or... Okay, 2 votes for chocolate. I'm going chocolate. That was my original thought. But then I saw that plum, and I love the plum. Love, love, love the plum. Okay, so I'm going to stir up my little bit of chocolate that I have left. I used this last night too. Make sure everything's down. Just kind of put a little bit out there. And I'm using my small squeegee because it's not too big of a space and I like to have control. So if I have a small space, I'll use a small squeegee. If I have a larger space, I will use a larger squeegee. This worked well. So now I'm just scraping off the excess and I'm gonna pop it back into my container. Make sure there are no little bumps of chalk. Sometimes when your chalk might be a little bit dry, you could get some bumps or clumps, but you just make sure to get those off of the screen before you pull it. Here's the big reveal. Hi, Jana. Oh, you guys, it looks really, really good. I just have to be careful. It's such an awkward type of cut of transfer to peel. Oh, you guys, look how good it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is such a fun transfer. Okay, so I see a little few spots that I need to touch up, but you guys need this. This transfer, that was so easy to line up. That's really, really, really fun. Oh my goodness. That just looks so good, even just on its own. Wow, I'm so impressed with it. We have not, well, we have some transfers that are layers, but I don't use them a lot, but this really, really looks good. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open up my plum because I'm going to do a little plum action up at the top. I need a stir stick though. I hope everyone's having a great start to their weekend. I know I am because I'm home and I don't have anything to do. Okay, so I'm going to put plum across the top and plum across the bottom. And I'm going, let's see, I think I will go ahead and squeegee this plum as much as I can so I don't waste too much. Just wait till you see what I'm going to do. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so I did the plum. Now, I don't need a lot. This is the lilac. I'm going to take a small squeegee that's cut into like 3-ish pieces, and I'm going to, okay, so I spread it out. Now I'm going to use my finger and just blend. And blend. And I'm going to do one more swipe with the light purple. And I'm not going to put that back in there. Then I'm going to peel it off and we'll see what we get. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Hold on, there's a line there. Okay. Look at that. Life in full bloom. And it's multicolored. That kind of cool? It's like the ombre inside and out. And I have these little marks and I'm not sure what caused them. I want to see if I can wash them away. Oh good, they're washing away. I almost feel like this was from my transfer because it's like the color of the transfers. You know, little weird things can happen sometimes. And I think that's exactly what happened. But this looks really, really good. Now, you can frame such an object because this is just a canvas. So you could totally frame it. You can add some more things. You could set it in a stand like this. I absolutely adore this. You guys, you could do this on a mirror, like in the corners. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. Hi, Rachel. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Christy. Thank you. So the colors, I did lilac for the flowers, which I know they're supposed to be cherry blossoms, but my Club Couture is coming with lilac, so I want to show you with the lilac. And then live life in full bloom is the saying. So you can do that. I could have added more over here. I could have done like 2 sets of it and just put the words in the middle. So you can do a lot with this. It's a really, really fun transfer. I'm really impressed with it. And the colors were great. So chocolate and lilac, and then plum. I used some plum here. It looks really great. I'm so excited. So fun, quick little presentation tonight. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm sure I will see you around. I'm going to be busy doing some custom work for a few people, and I'm sure I'll be back online maybe tomorrow, maybe some coffee and chalking in the morning. So have a great night, and I will see you later.